Hello guys, welcome to Smart Tech Junction. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you how to change or remove your lock screen password on Windows 11. Okay, so for this guys, you need to watch this video till end very carefully. So let's get started one by one. First you need to open your Windows settings like this. From the left panel, open the accounts, okay, like this. And here, scroll down, here you can get the option, sign in option. So just click and open it. Now open the password, and here you can get the option change. So just click on change. To remove or to change, you need to enter your old password for one time and then hit enter. Okay, so if you want to change the password, just enter your new password here and confirm the password. If you want to remove the password, just need to click on next. Leave this all three boxes empty and then simply click on next. If you want to really change the password, just you need to enter your new password. Okay, and then click on next, click on finish. That's it. So that's how you can easily able to change or remove your Windows 11 password. Okay, so that's all today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.